In today's video, I will walk you through how to delete playlists on Spotify. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. Give it a moment to load your library, then make sure you're on the main screen where you can see the navigation sidebar. Look at the left-hand sidebar under Your Library. This is where your playlists are listed. Scroll through the list until you find the playlist you want to delete. Before continuing, take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct playlist. Check the title and, if visible, the cover image or some of the first tracks in the playlist. Once you've located the playlist, right-click directly on its name in the sidebar. If you're using a trackpad, use a two-finger click to open the same menu. A small menu with several options related to the playlist will appear. You don't need to open the playlist itself. Simply right-clicking its name in the sidebar is enough. From the menu, click Delete. Spotify will then display a confirmation prompt asking you to confirm the deletion. To complete the process, click Delete again in the confirmation prompt. After you confirm, the playlist will disappear from your library. If the playlist was one you created, it will be removed from your account and will no longer appear on your profile. If other people were following it, they will no longer see it from you. Deleting the playlist does not delete the songs themselves from Spotify. It also does not remove any tracks that you have liked or saved elsewhere. Any offline download connected to that playlist will also be cleared. If you change your mind later, Spotify offers a way to recover playlists from your account page for a limited time. And that's how to delete a playlist on Spotify. Find the playlist in your library, right-click its name, choose Delete, and then confirm the deletion. Once you confirm, the playlist will be removed from your library. Thank you for watching.